Hello, this is Team Banana Pudding demonstrating our Banana Pudding Bazaar for CS316, a mini Amazon project. So I've been given, the link to this website by my friend who wants me to, check out some of the books. I've been looking. So, seems like they're having for a page. I can go through, these 117 pages. I'm not really seeing anything that's interesting right now. And these are kind of expensive, but let's sort by, the price and what's the cheapest. Looks like this book over here is the cheapest, selling at $8.53 with a 5-star review. So let's check it out. So I can see the title, the price, the review, the stars, how many reviews it has, and I can read a quick description. And let's say I really like this description. It sounds really interesting. Let's see who's selling it. Okay, it looks like we have two sellers here. One selling it for $8.53, and the other person selling it for $12. I'll come back to that in a sec. Looking at the reviews, I can see that Alexandra Walker rated this 5 stars last year. And Alexandra has really convinced me to buy this book. So let's hit login to buy. And now I'll pass it off to Harry so he can log in and buy it for me.
So before we log in, we'll have to make a new account. Maybe we want to make our account name Banana Pudding and our address just address street 5. And maybe we want to make our email at email.com and our password just 12345. So we should be able to create an account now. But we see that there already exists a user with this email, and so we can't use that one. We'll have to use a different one. And so maybe I want to be pudding at gmail.com. And again, we'll make the password 12345. Should be able to register. And now we can log in with our new account. And when we sign in, we can see our profile, which will have all of our account information, which we can edit. So I can see here, I don't have a balance. So if I want to go get that cool book we were looking at before, I'll have to add in some money. So maybe I want to add in $5. You can see now that I have $5 in my balance. And I can actually use that now in the website. Additionally, I can change my email. Let's say I wanted to just make it bpudding. Well, that's not a valid email, so that's not going to let us update it to that. And again, if I wanted to make it somebody else's email, it's also not going to let me do that, which is nice because it means that our database is never going to be mismatched. Finally, maybe I want to make a simpler password, so maybe I just want to make my password 1 now. Well, I can go log out, I can go log back in, and with the same new password, just 1, I can log in. Now I'm going to pass it over to Isuru to actually purchase from our website.
So now I have $5 in my account, and that's not a lot. So I'm going to try and buy the cheapest item I can find here. So I'm just going to sort by ascending, I'm going to sort by descending. And I see this book called The Elephant Tree that I'm interested in. So I want to get the cheapest one, and I'll just add it to my cart. So we can see it's added successfully to the cart. And we can see here the total price is $21.02. So if I try to buy it, it'll let me know that I don't have enough balance to actually complete that purchase. So I can try and type in a coupon code and apply it. And we can see now that the price is $2.10. So I can click buy and it'll work. And if I go to my profile, I can see that the order went through. So now I'm going to hand off to Mark to show some of the seller functionality.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna buy a few more things just while I'm feeling up to it. I like the word electric. I'm gonna buy a book. It has the word electric in it 'cause it's my favorite word. And I'm just gonna view this listing. It's 22 in stock. I'm gonna buy 21 of them just for fun. I've added them to cart. Now I gotta give myself the money for it. So let me add some more money and go to cart. And yeah, let me buy these items. And I'm gonna buy a couple different books just to show the order functionality. So if I buy all these 3 different books, I buy this one, and then I could also buy Sapiens again. And I go to the cart. I can buy all these things, and if you look at the profile functionality, look at my order with 6 items, I can see none of my orders have shipped. They're coming from 3 different sellers. And yeah, now I'm gonna shift my alter ego, which is Teresa Johnson. Oh shoot, that's my password. You guys all saw that. And I'm gonna log in. And Teresa's an experienced seller on this page. She also buys things. You can see that she's bought 3 copies of this book and it's been shipped. We'll go to her reviews that she's left later, but let me access my seller page. And if we look at my sold products, we can see the products. Buyer D12 just bought a lot of my stuff. I feel like shipping 2 of them really quickly. I'm gonna mark these as fulfilled. And then if I log back in as the, on the other end, as the buyer, forgot that I changed my password there. Sorry, you guys. I can go back to my profile and I can see my items. I can see that Teresa Johnson didn't ship this one, but the 21 copies of this book are shipped. They're on their way, and I'm happy. So now I'm gonna pass off to Joe, who's gonna leave some reviews for Teresa Johnson.
All right. So since we already bought something from Teresa Johnson, we can now leave a review, and her timely delivery definitely merits a 5. Nice. And so you can see our review, and below that, you can also see a whole average number of view ratings. And then, oh, well, I guess I'll just leave the 5 there and not delete it. If we go back, and then we can click the item that we bought. And I don't know, I suddenly believe that this book is really bad. So I'm going to put a 2, rate it 2 out of 5. And then, now I believe that, I was unfair to it. So I'm just going to change it. And then, now I changed it to a rating of 5. Well, now I believe that they don't deserve a review. So I'm just going to delete my own review. There we go. And now if we go to profile, we could see that there's only 1 review here that I left for Teresa.
Yeah, I can update from here, but I'm also just gonna delete it really quickly because I feel like I was too rash. Gave the review too quickly. I'm gonna wait on it. But I have her information here if I ever want to reach out to her, and maybe I'll have some customer support issues if the box comes in damaged. Finally, for some other functionality, see on the seller page, now I want to list some items. So I'm actually going to go name a product, my new book. Product price is going to be a lot of money because I like a lot of money. The product description is a really good book. I need to get an image URL really quickly. So I'm searching it up. Getting a new image URL. It's just going to be photo books for now. And let me get this. I'm going to list 5 of these. And now if we go to the home page and we search up book, or my book. All right, let's sort by price descending because I just made it really expensive. So that's how we should be able to find it. My new book, it's right here. Seller D12, that's me, should we see, banana pudding. And now I am gonna actually go back to my seller page and I'm gonna edit the quantity. So I'm gonna update the quantity to 0. And I'm gonna log back in as Teresa one last time because Teresa wants to buy my book. I guess it doesn't come up like that. Sort by price, descending. Oh, I realize why it's not coming up because there's none in stock. And it's not coming up to search. And actually, if I go back to the, go back and log in as banana pudding again, and look at the page of that product for my new book. I can update the quantity and put it back. So I'll update the quantity. I'm gonna show one last functionality. It's a little bit complicated. I'll update the quantity and put it back. And I'm gonna log out. I'm gonna log back in as Teresa. Sorry. Melissa Montgomery, which is her assistant's name. Sign back in. And then I'm gonna go to price descending. I guess I didn't apply the previous change. I apologize. Let me go back into banana pudding. sign in, profile. Let me go to my seller page. Update quantity 1. So now I think the quantity is updated successfully. We can check by searching for it. Sort by price, descending, apply. Oh, it was there the whole time. I just forgot to press the price button, guys. I'm so sorry. But we'll log back in as Teresa so we can buy it. Appreciate your guys' patience. Sort by price, descending. Finally, my book's here. There's 1 in stock. I'm gonna add it to cart. Do I have enough money for it? Let me check my profile. I'm just gonna add even more to make sure I do. And I'm gonna go to my cart. I'm gonna enter a fake coupon code, but it's invalid. So I'm gonna add the best coupon code ever. Give us 100. Apply coupon. We got a lot off. We're gonna buy the item. Now if I go to profile and I view details and I view the item, you can see that there's no sellers because no one has it in stock. So you can't buy it, but you can still leave a review of this product. And it actually wasn't that good. I'm gonna submit it to. I think that's all functionality. So on behalf of Group Banana Pudding, thank you guys for watching our video. We appreciate your patience of watching the whole thing and hope you enjoy playing around with our app.
Thank you.
Thanks.